In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Spectrum router blinking red. First, we have to understand why is this happening. A blinking red light on your Spectrum router means that it cannot connect to the Ethernet, often due to loose cables, a service outage, or a temporary glitch. Now, before you try any of the fixes that I am going to mention on this video, the first thing that you want to do is to check for outages. You want to use the My Spectrum application or website to see if there's a service outage in your area. After making sure that you don't have any outages, we can then proceed to the quick fixes. First things first is by power cycling. You want to unplug both the modem and router from power. Wait for around 60 seconds, and then you want to plug the modem back in first and wait for its lights to stabilize, usually around 2 minutes. From there, we want to follow up by plugging the router back in and wait for it to fully boot, another 2 minutes. Another thing to do is to inspect your connections. Ensure that the power, coaxial wire from the wall, and the Ethernet cables are securely plugged into the correct ports on the modem and router with basically no damage. You want to verify your modem status. Check the modem for valid or solid blue or green online light. If it's not solid, the problem is with the service connection, not just the router. And if nothing works, we can try to factory reset the device. If all else fails, you want to press and hold the reset button on the router for around 10 to 15 seconds to return it to the factory settings. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi name and password after doing this. From there, if still did not work, we now want to contact the support. If the light remains red after all these steps, you can contact the Spectrum support, as you may need to basically get a new device or a technician to visit and check your equipment. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.